Hello, Michiganders. Today we are talking about imports and exports. So yesterday I mentioned it a little bit about what we grow here in Michigan and we export, which means to take out of Michigan and sell to other places that might need what we grow or what we make here. And then today we're going to be talking also about the things that are brought into Michigan because they're imports. So things that we can't make or don't make or grow here in Michigan are then imported from other places to us. So we're going to watch a little short video. It's only a minute and a half. And then I'm going to challenge you to do some things today around your house and record what you found. So this will be a really, I think, eye-opening activity to help you understand that not everything we have at home was made here in Michigan or even the United States. So then it makes me think, well, then how did it get here? How did it get here? So be thinking about those things as we watch this 1-minute video. Here we go. Imports and exports.
When it comes to the goods we all need to live, countries depend on one another. The United States cannot produce all the things Americans need, so it depends on imports from other countries. For example, South America is known for growing fruits and vegetables for countries around the world. The United States imports some of those fruits and vegetables so that we can eat fresh food all year round. Another example is technology. The United States doesn't have enough space for all the factories needed to make the computers and cell phones that we use every day. So a lot of our technology is imported from Asia. They have many factories there and they supply us with what we need. What about the United States helping other countries? When the United States sends its goods to other countries, that is called exporting. The United States is the world's largest automotive export. Not only do we manufacture a lot of cars, we also manufacture the parts for them. We also export airplanes and helicopters and even spacecraft. The top countries we trade with are Canada, Mexico, China, Japan, and Germany. We both export and import goods to and from these countries nearly every day.
Did you hear what countries? Let's hear that one more time.
China, Japan, and Germany. We both export and import goods to and from these countries nearly every day.
Export and import from those countries every day. So my challenge for you today, this is going to be short and sweet, is to,
Writing's not that easy.
Excuse me, I'm going to attach another video. So I want you to watch this on your own. This is a good one. So don't get too nervous about it taking too much time or anything. Anyway, it's a good one about imports and exports again. And so then if I don't want you to think too, I know it's hard maybe for a third grader, but I want you to just try to think, so what if something happened in that other country? What if there's an epidemic, like COVID? What if that happened? And it's really affecting another country where we get our supplies. How could that affect what we get at the store or what we might need? And it's not there because those other countries might be affected in a different way than we are with some things that are going on in the world. So that can sometimes happen as well. So I don't know, ask your parents if they, over this whole epidemic the last year, have gone to the store and something's not there that they might want. So that's because it might be that factories are closed or different countries are just not functioning and their factories aren't open, maybe because they have sick people, maybe because of COVID. So anyway, what I want you to do today, is challenge yourself a little bit to look around your home. Look around your home for things, any items. Now, last time you did a search and find on food, but this time you're doing a search and find on items in your home. So for example, right next to me, I have these little snack packs of cashews and roasted and salted. So cashews. These are a good little snack that I have. And I'm looking at where it was made, and I'm so excited to say Charlotte, North Carolina, USA. So you can see, you will find the name, or excuse me, the location, usually underneath the nutrition facts. You will find the location of where it, I know it's not very clear right now on my camera, but you will find it below there. So let me show you your activity that you'll have to do for that too. So what you'll have to do, share my screen again. So you'll see this activity here. Now you're going to look for 10 different goods you have at home. Could be toys, clothes, food, bath products, anything, pencils, anything. Write what each product is and where it is made. So for example, and then it says label if it's an import or export to Michigan. So this is an example, but I'm going to put my cashews and then put a little hyphen, which is up there at the top by your numbers on your keyboard. And I'm going to put that it was USA. I'm not going to put that it was the state. I'm just going to put the country, USA hyphen, and then put if it's an import or an export. Was it brought in to the USA? Or was it brought in to, you can take it either way. I would say, because we're talking about Michigan, I would say, was it brought into Michigan? Yes. So it is an import. Now, I will also add the vocabulary to this slide as well, so you can remember the difference between import and export. Import, I just think in, it's brought in. Export means to exit out of Michigan. So I would say it's an import because although it's the USA, Michigan didn't make it, didn't make those cashews and package them up and send them to Michigan. So it was another state that did that. But so anyway, this is kind of an idea of how to do this. If you want to add more information, like I could say North Carolina, USA, NC would be North Carolina. So just try to have fun with this. Don't make it difficult. Just grab an item, try to look for where it was made. If you can't find where it was made, pick a different item, because if it's packaged in any kind of way, it's going to have where it is from. For example, I am looking at my stapler here at home. And like I said, everything that has some kind of label should have where it was made. So like my stapler here at home, this is actually my school one. And it says at the bottom, it was made in Taiwan. And it says it right there at the bottom, made in Taiwan. So is Taiwan in the USA? Hey mom, is Taiwan in the USA? You could ask your parents, you could ask your Alexa, or you could look on a world map and find out if Taiwan is in the USA or it's not in the USA. It's an import or an export. Okay, and Taiwan is not in the USA. It is way across the world. So we're having daytime right now. They're having nighttime right now because it's way across the world. So anyway, you can look for those things, and I will add a world map to the assignment so that you can click on that and try to find where your country is or where your state is, and that might help you to know if it's an import brought in or export sent out. Okay. All right. I hope you have fun with this. Let me know if you have any questions. You're welcome to come back and get some help. Thank you. Bye-bye.